Swollen lug nuts on your Ford Fusion happen because rust builds up under the factory chrome caps, expanding the metal. To get them off fast, you must hammer a 19.5mm half-size extraction socket over the deformed nut and use a long breaker bar to break it loose. Ford used a two-piece design with a steel core covered by a thin chrome cap. Moisture sneaks between these layers, causing the steel to rust and swell. Your factory lug wrench or a standard 19mm socket will no longer fit. Forcing a larger 20mm socket will just round off the corners and leave you completely stranded. Grab your 19.5mm extraction socket and line it up squarely over the swollen nut. Use a heavy mallet to drive the socket directly onto the cap. Hit it firmly until the socket bottoms out against the base. You need maximum grip to prevent the soft outer cap from tearing away from the steel core. Attach a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar to the seated socket. Apply steady, heavy pressure counterclockwise. Do not use an impact gun here. The violent hammering action of an impact wrench can shred the swollen chrome cap entirely. Rely on the pure leverage of your breaker bar to smoothly crack the rust bond and back the nut out. Once removed from the wheel stud, the ruined lug nut will be wedged tightly inside your socket. Knock it out by inserting a steel punch through the rear of the socket and striking it with a hammer. Throw these defective factory parts away immediately. Replace them with solid one-piece aftermarket lug nuts so this never happens again.